Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the epic battle of the diets carnivore versus keto. These two low-carb titans have taken the health world by storm, sparking debates and inspiring incredible transformations. But which one comes out on top? In this corner we have the carnivore diet, a meat-centric approach that ditches all plant-based foods. And in the other corner we have the ketogenic diet, a high-fat, low-carb plan that allows for some plant-based fats and veggies. Get ready to explore the ins and outs of each diet, examine the science behind their claims, and hear real-life stories of people who've experienced their power firsthand. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to choose the best diet for your unique needs. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's break down each diet. The carnivore diet is simple meat and lots of it. Think beef, poultry, fish, and eggs. This all-meat approach eliminates all carbohydrates, including those from fruits, vegetables, and grains. On the other hand, the ketogenic diet embraces fats while limiting carbs. This means loading up on healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, and nuts, while keeping your carb intake below a certain threshold. While both diets prioritize fat as the primary fuel source, their approaches differ significantly. Carnivore eliminates all plant foods, while keto includes a select few. This key difference has major implications for nutrient intake, food choices, and overall health outcomes. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the science behind each diet and compare their potential benefits and drawbacks. The carnivore diet, while seemingly extreme, finds its roots in our evolutionary past. Proponents argue that our ancestors thrived on meat-based diets for millennia. They point to the potential benefits of animal protein and fat for satiety, energy, and nutrient density. Some studies suggest that eliminating plant toxins and anti-nutrients, found in grains and legumes, can improve gut health and reduce inflammation. Additionally, the high protein intake on a carnivore diet may promote muscle growth and fat loss. However, research on the long-term effects of a strictly carnivore diet is limited. Concerns remain about potential nutrient deficiencies, particularly in fiber, certain vitamins, and antioxidants. More research is needed to fully understand the long-term implications of this dietary approach. Despite the lack of extensive research, many individuals report significant improvements in various health markers on a carnivore diet. These anecdotal accounts, while not conclusive, warrant further investigation into the potential benefits of this way of eating. The ketogenic diet enjoys a more established research base than its carnivore counterpart. Studies have shown that inducing a state of ketosis, where the body burns fat for fuel instead of glucose, can lead to weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and reduced inflammation. Keto's effectiveness in managing epilepsy, particularly in children, is well documented. Moreover, emerging research suggests potential benefits for neurological conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. However, the long-term sustainability of keto remains a topic of debate. Some individuals experience difficulty adhering to the strict carb limits, while others report digestive issues like constipation. Despite its growing popularity and scientific backing, it's crucial to approach keto with caution and consult a healthcare professional before making any drastic dietary changes. Now let's compare these dietary titans head-to-head. Both diets emphasize fat as the primary fuel source and restrict carbohydrates. However, their approaches differ significantly in terms of food choices and nutrient intake. Carnivore focuses solely on animal products, eliminating all plant foods. This approach prioritizes protein and fat while restricting carbohydrates to near zero. Keto, on the other hand, allows for a wider variety of foods, including low-carb vegetables, nuts, and seeds. While both diets can lead to weight loss and improve metabolic health, their long-term effects remain unclear. Carnivore's restrictive nature raises concerns about potential nutrient deficiencies, while keto's emphasis on fat intake may not be suitable for everyone. Ultimately, the best diet for you depends on your individual needs, preferences, and health goals. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian is crucial before making any significant dietary changes. Many individuals have experienced remarkable transformations on the carnivore diet. From shedding stubborn pounds to reversing chronic health conditions, these real-life stories provide compelling anecdotes about the diet's potential benefits. Take, for instance, individuals who struggled with autoimmune disorders. Some report significant improvements in their symptoms after adopting a carnivore lifestyle. They attribute their success to the elimination of plant compounds that may trigger inflammation. Others with digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, have also found relief on a carnivore diet. The elimination of fiber, a common IBS trigger, can lead to reduced bloating, gas, and abdominal pain. While these anecdotal accounts are encouraging, it's important to remember that individual experiences can vary. What works for one person may not work for another, highlighting the importance of personalized approaches to health and nutrition. The ketogenic diet boasts its own share of inspiring success stories. People worldwide have embraced keto to achieve weight loss, improve energy levels, and manage chronic conditions. Many individuals struggling with type 2 diabetes have found success with keto. By reducing carbohydrate intake and stabilizing blood sugar levels, keto can help manage this metabolic disorder. Others report significant improvements in their energy levels and mental clarity on a keto diet. The steady supply of ketones, an alternative fuel source produced during ketosis, can provide sustained energy without the sugar crashes associated with a high-carb diet. While these stories are inspiring, it's crucial to approach keto with realistic expectations. Individual results may vary, and maintaining a ketogenic lifestyle long-term requires commitment and careful planning. While both the carnivore and keto diets offer potential benefits, it's crucial to acknowledge their potential downsides. Understanding these risks can help you make informed decisions about your dietary choices. The carnivore diet, with its extreme restriction of plant foods, raises concerns about potential nutrient deficiencies. Fiber, a crucial nutrient for digestive health, is absent in a carnivore diet. Additionally, certain vitamins and antioxidants found abundantly in fruits and vegetables are limited. Keto, while less restrictive, can lead to digestive issues like constipation due to its low fiber content. Additionally, some individuals experience the keto flu, a group of flu-like symptoms that can occur during the initial stages of ketosis. Both diets, if not followed correctly, can lead to nutrient imbalances. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs. So, in the ultimate showdown of carnivore versus keto, which diet emerges victorious? The answer, like most things in nutrition, is not one size fits all. The best diet for you depends on your individual needs, preferences, and health goals. If you thrive on simplicity and enjoy animal products, the carnivore diet might appeal to you. However, be mindful of potential nutrient deficiencies and consult with a healthcare professional to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs. If you prefer a more balanced approach and enjoy a wider variety of foods, the ketogenic diet might be a better fit. Remember to prioritize healthy fat sources, choose low-carb vegetables, and stay hydrated. Ultimately, the key to success with any dietary approach is finding what works best for you and your body. Experiment, listen to your body's signals, and don't be afraid to adjust your approach as needed. Congratulations on taking the first step towards optimizing your health by exploring the carnivore and keto diets. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding the nuances of these dietary approaches empowers you to make informed decisions about your well-being. Whether you choose to embrace the meat-centric world of carnivore or embark on a ketogenic adventure, prioritize your health by focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, staying hydrated, and listening to your body's cues. Remember, your health journey is uniquely yours. Embrace the process, celebrate your progress, and never hesitate to seek guidance from qualified healthcare professionals. Did you find this carnivore versus keto showdown helpful? Share this information with your friends and family who are passionate about health and wellness. Let's keep the conversation going. Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments below. What resonates with you most about the carnivore or keto diets? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more evidence-based health and nutrition information. Together, let's empower ourselves to make informed choices for a healthier, happier life.